All right, welcome to Brushy Lake. So we're gonna swap spots. JT's gonna take command of this canoe. He's gonna go down between my legs, go through there, hop out on the other side. He's going to the back of the boat. And then I'm gonna hop up here in the front. JT's gonna guide us around. Yeah. Are you back there, buddy?
No.
All right, here we are. We're at Brushy Lake in Bankhead National Forest. This is probably our favorite place to go camping. Would you say that, JT?
It's my favorite truck camping place.
Very good truck camping at Brushy Lake. Sometimes it can get crowded, but it's perfect today. We actually pulled into a spot that we'd been into before. And this really nice lady came up to us. She was like, would y'all like to go to this other spot? It's really great for canoes and all. And so we moved to another spot. We're kind of excited about it. It's gonna be good. All right, so JT is captain in the boat. Take me where you want to go, big boy.
I want to go, I don't know.
Well, there's a creek back behind us. So you're doing a good job there. Very nice. Look at you. All right, I'm gonna take a nap for a little while. Let me know. Wait a minute when we get there.
Okay.
All right, so JT is captaining the boat quite well. We're gonna head back to the camp and grab some shoes for him, and then we're gonna go hike a little bit. That'll be good. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Good job, JT. Look at that, you're doing an amazing job. All right, so putting the canoe up for a little while. We're gonna go on a little hike. Is that what you want to do? Let's go do a little hiking and see what we can find. It'll be fun. All right, there's some inclines to get up to, and it's making us breathe hard and walk funny. There's some caves up here though. Let's go check it out.
Daddy, there's a big cave up here.
Go get in it.
Someone had a fire up here.
Cool.
Oh, I can see the cave from below. Right here.
All right, I'm coming up.
Someone camps back here. There's a Coke bottle or a Coke can back there. Someone camps here.
Kind of a cave. It's a little more of a nook than it is a cave. Look at that. That's kind of neato. Look at that big crack.
That's the crack that the cave is.
Oh, it keeps coming around. It goes up. Want to go to the top of it? Let's go up there. All right, JT's going to be the lead climber here. Making our way to the top, and I'll leave that here in case it falls. But it's very steep. I mean, you can't really tell right here. So you can see we're above the lake right now.
It's steep.
There's the lake.
And kind of slippery.
Steep and slippery. All right, let's see if I can do it no-handed. One-handed. Okay, good.
Oh, I can use this root.
Got a root, that's what I'm talking about. All right, see you at the top. All right, so we made it almost to the top. I see a hole in the rock. Let me go explore it. Whoa. Kind of big hole. Cool.
Oh, look at this. That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, pretty neat. All right, let's keep going higher. All right, about to be at the top. There we go, show us the way. Nice. All right, so we have climbed up, and what's kind of cool is we found out that since we climbed so high that the cell phone works. And we were in a spot where it didn't work at all. So I guess if we have an emergency or something, we can just climb up and uh-oh, there it is, somebody's calling me.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, this is cool. Look at this. This tree is old.
It's like a drum.
Feet on it. Look at drum. Look how hollow that is. That is cool. Very neato. Old tree rotting like that usually falls. Yeah. All right, so our trail has run out. We're gonna head down to our creek this way. I have to do some bushwhacking. Let's get it. You know, hear the roar of the waterfall down there. Nice job, buddy. Let's keep rolling. Look at the sign. Safety zone, no shooting within or into area behind this sign. So I guess outside of this blue we're coming from, that's going to be hunting area. There's supposed to be a lot of pigs back here, a lot of boars and sows all over the place. Anyway, let's get down there to the creek. We're easing along. We are definitely above the waterfall. We're way above the waterfall. Way above the waterfall. Like, this is creepy high. Oh my. My mama's not gonna like this one. Slow down, big boy. Like straight down right here where our foot is. Look at that. There's the waterfall. We're right above it. And we're actually at the top of a waterfall, JT. Look.
I know, I see it.
I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's a waterfall down there. That is flat out cool. So we're going to make our way that way, across this ridge, eventually find our way down there to the creek. All right, let's see what we got. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going?
I'm tickled.
All right, walking up here is kind of creepy. Look at this. So here is a broken off pine tree. You can tell it's not in the ground anymore. It's touching the ground. And if you go all the way up, that tree up there is holding this from falling 60 feet or whatever that is. Wild. There's our waterfall right there. That's cool. We're on top of that. What do you think, buddy?
This is cool.
Exploring takes you places. All right, let's find our way around. All right, say goodbye to the coolest spot ever.
Bye bye.
We're gonna be walking along this ridge. Listening to that the whole time. We're gonna try to make our way down to it. You never know what you find when you're bushwhacking. All right, so we've walked 100 yards or so. Creek's still really far down there. We're gonna go a little bit further and see if we can find a trail down there, but this isn't looking too good. All right, this is fun. Let's go, you bushwhacker. All right, so we found another cool waterfall up here. Look at that.
Where are the fish?
There's not too many people have seen that, but it's not getting us any closer because we still got to get way down there. Maybe there'll be a trail here in a minute. This is fun. You have a good time, buddy?
Yes.
All right, walked up on something. Not really sure what it is. It's a 50-gallon barrel. Aluminum right there. No idea.
It looks like a big bucket.
Somebody had put trash or something a long time ago. Nails all in it. Used to be something like right here, a building or something. All the nails. Wow. I don't know. Anybody knows what it is? Let us know. That would be cool. Let's keep going. Look at this. So we're up in the middle of the woods and back up to JT so we can see down there. Look at that. Look at that big leaf. The guy's a creek. Underwater.
Underground.
Underground. That is crazy cool. Oh, you're just out in the middle of nothing.
That is crazy.
And it's going to pop out here and create this waterfall. See if we can get to the top of it. Oh yeah, we're definitely at the top of it. Yep, waterfall just poured right over all that. We're not getting any closer, JT. We may turn around. This is pretty neat though.
That's cool.
All these underwater.
It feels like a pump is pumping it.
Pumps in there. That's fun. This is awesome. Come here, buddy. We're here together.
Barely.
All right, get out. It stinks. It smells like smoke in here.
I know.
They must have burned all this out here in the fire into the tree. That was cool. All right, big boy. Walk around, see if you recognize where we are. We've been here before.
This is where we went down there.
Yeah, okay. So there's the tree you beat on like a drum. Yeah. And we just went down that way. So we went down that way, explored the cliff basically overlooking the lake. And then we came around, came all the way around this way, and then popped back out, an easier route. It worked out good. You outdoor boy. Let's go. All right, come on down. Not too fast. So I came down first. Kind of scooted some of the leaves out of the way, but there's a bunch. See how he does. He's holding onto a branch with his right arm. He's scooting down. He's taking his... Don't hurt your butt. Grab that tree with your left arm. Come on, just push those leaves out in front of you. There you go. Now just slide by it. There you go. Hold on to it and turn around and we'll come backwards. There you go. Let go of it and then go to your butt. There you go. Hey, let go. Put your feet on the ground. Yeah, there you go. And just scoot on your feet. Come on. There you go. Now you just gotta get down this big old thing. Keep on coming.
There's so many weeds I can't see.
Just slide with them. It's kind of like snow. There you go. All right, now we just got to get down to the lake. And that's that. Was that fun?
Yes, it was.
Let's go back to the camp. Let's go.
I'm glad we came back the same way.
All right, I'm by myself for a second. Went off a little trail. I saw leads to this big cave up here, it looks like. Let's check it out. All right, so getting close to it, real close. Wow, this is some pretty stuff in here. JT's missing out. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, it's cool back here too. Very neato. Haha, he decided to follow me. This is cool, JT. Beautiful. Ooh, soft moss in here. Beautiful. Hey buddy, wave at us. He's right down in there. Barely see him. Pretty neato, huh? All right, so this is about 20 feet off the ground. JT said he fell into the hole. Are you still alive, JT?
Yes, that was a deep hole though.
He said it was a bear trap. There's the beautiful waterfall. Should I walk across this? Not this time. Woo! Are you good, buddy? Do I need to run across here and save you?
No.
Because right now, I'm the off-duty Superman. So if I have to save you, I will. I think you got it. Let's go back to camp. Yeah. You think you could drink that?
Maybe.
If I was really hurting for some water, I'd drink it. I wouldn't just do it because somebody dared me to. Neat looking rocks right here.
I'm gonna throw a moss ball. Ah!
right, show y'all how we're gonna be living tonight. Check out, here's our mansion. We've got a pretty good little setup here. I feel like we're almost glamping. Look at this. Amazing cots. Mine's actually an extra large. It's gonna be good, but this is how we'll sleep tonight. Kind of excited about it. Hope we can hear the frogs and all. Can y'all hear them down there? Cool. All right. All right, I got my fire buddy with me. He's made a really good fire quickly.
Yep.
So it's about 4:30. We've got a little while before it gets dark. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Let's see how it looks in there. Oh yeah, it just popped right on up, didn't it? I'm about to take you down there to the water. I've been hearing a bunch of frogs. They're kind of cool sounding.
That match down there is still burning. That's a cool match.
So those are survival matches.
Oh.
They're kind of like their own little fire all by themselves. Let me keep it going. Where is it?
Oh.
Oh, it's down there at the bottom.
It just stopped.
Yep. I'm gonna take you down there and let's see if y'all can hear some frogs. All right, so JT and I have decided that every camping trip needs, what is that, JT?
A cherry pie.
Cherry pie. We're going to put his little cherry pie on here. Let it warm up on there. That'll be good. Cherry pie and burgers. Let's do it. All right, when it got dark on us really quick, so we're gonna have some burgers on here. I kind of wonder why I don't have them, just put them on the fire. What do you think? You know what I mean, JT? If this doesn't cook fast enough, we're gonna put them on the fire.
I know.
It's gonna be good. All right, now, what's our secret ingredient, JT?
Garlic salt.
A whole bunch of garlic salt, that's right. And we'll put them on both sides after we flip them. It's gonna be good. Yeah, that's how you do it. Camping burgers. Some camping burgers. Yeah. Listen to the lake, the frogs. Beautiful. All right, well, we're waiting on the burgers. Let's see if our cherry pie is ready. Let's see here. Ooh, you want to try it first?
Yes.
Is that pretty
Almost
amazing?
ready. Almost ready.
Almost ready? Let's see what you got. See what you got.
The top isn't as warm as the middle.
All right, JT taught me into moving the burgers over to the fire. And we flipped them over, garlic salt that time, and they are cooking a lot faster. So that was a good decision, JT.
Thank you.
Burgers and apple pie. I love it. Oh yeah. Cooking like they're supposed to now. Open flames is better, JT, than charcoal, I think. What do you think?
I think that the flames are better than the charcoal.
Very nice. Just listen to the background. Alright, add a little cheese. Want cheese on all of them?
Yes, please.
Cheese. I got the buns on there. Garlic salt, pretzel buns, and cherry pie. Ooh, that'll make you happy. Something's wrong with you. Look at that. Wow, JT. Just
like
wow.
Mountains of meat.
Eat your heart out, mama. Yeah. All right, JT picked out the two he wants. You want it right here?
Yes, sir.
There you go. And that's what's for me. Let's do it.
This is really good, Daddy.
Enjoying it?
Yeah.
How good is it? That looks like a $12, $15 burger. My goodness. How about the pretzel buns?
They're really good.
Amazing. All right, we're going to eat this up. Good morning, everybody. Morning, JT.
Good morning.
We'll get us a fire going and we're going to start our day. JT just found out Doritos make a great fire starter.
Watch this.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What kind of bonfire, JT?
I said on the
Cheers, good morning. Nothing like drinking hot coffee and warm sunny delight with your boy at 5:30 in the morning.
Ooh, that's hot.
You wanted some hot sunny D, that's what I gave you.
With our hands?
Well. Make the whole world jealous for this thing. Oh yeah. the geese are telling us good morning. Nice job. Can I ride with you?
Yes.
Let's do this. All right, good morning. So we're gonna go across the lake and then we're gonna do a little hike that we haven't done before. It's the actual below the falls down here, or the spillway. I feel like I'm on a taxi service. I got myself a paddler behind me. He's doing a really good job. What do you want to say this morning, JT?
You're hard to boat around.
I'm heavy. All right, y'all enjoy the scene. All right, so we made it down here by the spillway again, and we're gonna hike along the creek and the big cliff you see up here. We're gonna hike along that and just see what we can discover. This should be fun. Let's go, buddy. Show us the way. The wind's blowing. It's kind of chilly. Let's just go down this way first, buddy. Well, this has turned out to be a beautiful little creek, JT. Got kind of a makeshift kind of trail next to it. Very nice. Look at this big old rock, buddy. That is cool. You want some moss? There you go. That's pretty neato. Man, this is a pretty area. You get that on the way out. JT's turned into a moss expert. What can you tell us about that moss, JT?
It's green.
Yeah, it's growing on a dead tree.
And it's carpet moss.
Carpet moss. I like that. Okay. Beautiful creek. I guess it's maybe named Brushy Creek. Maybe this is Brushy's Creek. I don't know. But it is beautiful. I love the sound of running water. There really is so much to look at. You coming?
Yep.
Well, I'm already going. If you fall, you're going to be really wet.
You fall, you're going to be really
That's right.
and hurt.
Sometimes doing the smart thing's not always fun.
Yeah.
It's okay. If one of us falls in, we'll remember that forever.
Yeah, I'm gonna pee.
All right, I'll turn the camera off. All right, so we walked across the log. Almost all the way across.
Is there crawfish in here?
Oh, yeah. It's either dog or coyote tracks and deer tracks right next to it, JT. Cool. Let's explore, buddy. All right, so we found this little tributary or creek running into Brushy Creek. At the beginning of every creek, there's got to be a waterfall around here, so we're going to ease up. See if we can find us a cool little waterfall. I actually think I see it. On up there. All right, let's ease up there. All right, get up here, buddy. I'll let you see this thing first. Walking up here makes you breathe hard. But it's pretty amazing getting up here. Look at this big rock. Waterfall's right there. JT's coming to look at it first. Oh yeah, look at that big shell fake behind it. Woo! Let's get behind it, yeah. All right, he's about to be behind it. But look at this. Waterfall, look at there. Up real high. That's such a pretty spot. Good job, buddy. Way to find this. Woohoo! All right, JT found him a seesaw in here.
Or a diving board.
Look at this place. Cool. Pretty amazing. Pretty pretty.
Yeah.
All right, this is very slippery. That right there, JT, is just a pile of mud. Don't get in it.
I thought that was a rock.
I did too. I stepped on it and it just sunk about 4 inches. That's more mud right there.
Oh yeah, that is mud.
Straight mud. Look at that. That is weird looking right there. All right, we're gonna get up on these rocks and then we're gonna ease out of here. Nice and slow so we're not slipping and falling. Think you gonna make it out without falling?
Yes.
Pretty. My favorite waterfall this time. Let's go. All right, so we're in a dilemma. We gotta get back across this creek. And gotta cross either up there or we'll go back down there and cross where we did before. and we keep getting distracted by these really cool, beautiful places. Look at this swimming hole, buddy.
Cool.
You want to swim across?
No. I don't.
All right, so we got to get across this creek. This looks like it may be the best spot. That was cool, JT.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get a little wet, and I'm okay with that. I'm gonna get a little bit wet going across there. Won't hurt me at all. Get back up to the canoe, and then change my socks. It'll be good. Nice. Let's do it, buddy. All right, so JT started to make his way across first. He said he wanted to lead the way. He's got waterproof boots on up to about a little bit above his ankles. I don't. I'm wearing tennis shoes. He can thank his me mama for those. All right, so he's getting across. I'll be next. All right, I'm crossing in my tennis shoes. All right, filling water in my socks now. Ooh, that's a little bit chilly. Almost all the way across. Boom, wet feet, and it's okay. Nice. Is that cool, buddy? Woohoo! Pretty cool. All right, we're going to head out here. Let go of that. Time to get out of here. Did you enjoy that little hike?
I did.
You enjoying this little ride right now?
I am.
All right, well, let's get back to the camp, pack it up, and maybe go see another waterfall. All right, so we've been driving just a few minutes, and we were told there's a waterfall up here. And things are not marked at all, and I think here it is. I think we found a cool little waterfall. Yeah, pretty nice. I want to go down there. Take a shower in it. What do you think, buddy?
That's the biggest waterfall we've seen yet.
It is.
Cool.
What's cool are those Crocs. All right, so there's the pool. We're standing on top of it. Look where the water's falling over.
I want to throw
That's a big drop, buddy.
I want to throw something over.
That's pretty awesome. Let's make our way over that way and try to get a look at it from that side. It'd be neat to be able to get down there, but I do not see how. They say usually when there's a will, there's a way. I didn't find wheel, but I found a way. We're at the bottom of it. Beautiful waterfall. Woohoo! Very nice. Crystal clear water. This is a summer day, I'd be in there. I sure would. Very nice.